what's happening, guys? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. I'm just working on this 64 Nova SS, and I just got the roof kind of fixed up on one side here. I'll show you guys. Anyways, this roof was primed already, and somebody had done some body work, and but wasn't done very well, and there was a whole bunch of dents around the perimeter here going around the front. And as you can see, I'm kind of working my way this way. See, these are all low spots, high spots, and it kind of keeps going around the side there. So anyways, I just wanted to show you kind of how I fixed that. You can still see I got a couple dimples here, but it's because there's a brace underneath here and I really can't get at it very well. Same with up here. There's a brace here that I can't get very well in here. I got it 95% nice up in here, but it's going to be fine. I'm not too worried, but I've done all this with just basically I had to do some shrinking in here actually here, and I actually did one here. But yeah, so I had to do that first, and because they had stretched the metal real bad here, they just pounded it up. Same with there, and they basically left it at that. So anyways, you can kind of see I fixed everything here nicely, other than what you see, these dimples here. It turned out really good. Same with here. There was a crease in here that I fixed. If you guys kind of want to see more, you can go on my Facebook page and check out kind of the progression, as you know, from when I started and stuff like that to see. But I'm going to kind of show you how I'm doing it. Actually, I'm going to set you up here. But yeah, you can see here just before I start, so you can kind of see where I'm kind of finished off here, and look how it looks over here, right? So anyways, and they had a whole bunch of mud here for some reason or another. I don't know why. It doesn't feel like anything's wrong with it. Very strange. So you can see this is real high, this is real low. Well, it's low all in here. There's another big dent in here. So alright, so I'm going to set you up here and you can kind of see what I'm doing. And anybody else that kind of knows how to do this, I guess this video is not for you. So I don't know if there's a good angle here for you. Let's see here. I guess this is probably as good as it's gonna get. All right. There's some tools over here. So basically all I use this punch here, or this awl, or whatever you want to call it, because this thing is spring loaded and it works really good instead of trying to pick and file, especially when you're by yourself or you can't get to an area like this. In this case, this works really good. You can control it real nice. Otherwise, you use whatever you can underneath the brace here to get into where you can, and that's about all you can do. All right. So I'm gonna, you probably can see this one a little better here. So I'm gonna keep going here. I just kind of put my hand on top so I can sort of get an idea where I'm at. And once you get close, you can kind of look at an angle into the light, and you can kind of see where it's kind of going up. body file. This stuff doesn't work too good on paint or primer. Now you can see I got a high spot there. I'm going to try. The more I get this up, the more this will go down here. What the? There we go. This one here is a little bit stubborn. Once I get close to being real good, I try to be a little more accurate to make sure I don't make more damage. So the more you do this, the more this is going to go away. It's not hard, it just takes a little bit of time. It up a bit. Yeah. We have to turn the heat down a bit. Oh yeah, see? Yeah, you can see it's, oh, that's getting nice actually. Getting nice. Now I gotta try and thing's starting to not work anymore or what? It's a little bit slow, but and you don't want to keep hitting the same spot obviously because you're gonna really thin out the metal. Okay, you get the idea. Now I'm going to get to the point where I'm going to be left with just dimples here pretty soon. Very close, very, very close. Ah, come on. Why is it fighting me now? It's very, very close. Just the very end there. Wow. So close, guys. So close. So close. And we're just about there. All right, see? Dent be gone. Dent be gone. It's perfect. Perfect. Now I got these here, but if I'll be able to get that one or not. It's right on the edge of the brace. Wow, that's still a little bit high here where that crease was. Alright guys, it's a couple dimples here, but I'm on the edge of that brace there, so I'm gonna, by the time I sand this, I'll show you guys. Like, there's no wobble, wave here, nothing. So if there's a couple little dimples there, I'm not gonna worry about it. You see, this is what I'm using, 3M 40 grit. I didn't take my salt water last night, my carpal tunnel's acting up. Guys, that's it, man. What do you think? I'll bring you around. Holy, 23 minutes. Got a little water here, but okay. So you see, no more dent. But now I got to fix over here. I just did this one. It's just closer for me to do the video, but that's how I did all the way around there like that, plus shrinking. So you can see it takes a little bit of time, but it's definitely worth it, because then you got something that don't need a lot of mud, as you can see. Okay, so that'll be it for the shrinking and picking and filing video on this 64 Nova SS, guys. Share, like, and subscribe if you liked the video, and we'll see you on the next one.